How to manually create checkout links in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So first, you will need to just log into your Shopify admin and go to the apps section. We're going to install an app which is made by Shopify and it is completely for free. Okay, so once you're in the store of the Shopify app store, you simply just want to search for buy button channel. It's going to be by Shopify and I can actually find it right away. It's right down here, but if you don't see it, you can just search for it and it should show up right away. You simply just want to click on it and click on install. And trust me, this is just going to make your life a lot easier for creating these links instead of having to try to recreate them manually. So we can just go ahead and go to the products section, select the product that you want to create the checkout link to. So let's say this red sample product. And then from here, you simply just want to click on the More Actions button from the top right corner. And you should be able to find Create Checkout Link. Just simply click on that. And this is just going to show you all the different variants that you have of this product. This product specifically doesn't have any variants, so this is why I only have this one. But if you do, you can obviously see you can scroll here between them, select the one that you want, and you simply just want to copy a link. And now you have basically just created your checkout link manually for your product. And this is pretty much it for this video. So hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.